Hello everyone, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can lock apps on your iPhone. So today I'll show you how you can lock without any third-party software. You can lock with your iPhone default feature. So if you want to learn, then you can stay with me. Otherwise, you can ignore this video. So let's start. So first, you should looking like shortcut option on your iPhone. I just press shortcuts option. This is the default option. No need to install from your Play Store. I mean Apple Store. So if you tap just shortcut, then you see like this similar UI. So there are three options like shortcuts, automation, and gallery. You should first tap on shortcuts. Then you should tap on all shortcuts. All right. Then you just tap on plus icon. Then we will making new shortcut. You can change this name, rename. Also, you can choose new icon as you want. There in some more options. So your mandatory option, you should tap add action. Then you can just tap on search button. I mean search field. Then you can just write lock screen. Lock screen. Then you just tap. I just selected. Then just done. Okay, your next step, you just tap on the automation. Here will come many automation list if you before make automation, but here is no list because I am starting new for new automation. Then I will just tap new automation, and then you can just type apps, or you can just scroll up and see the apps option. You just tap here. Here in some option when you want to lock your apps. I mean when show this option. So first you just chose you can select open or close after confirmation or run immediate. So first of all I will just show you step by step. Then choose the apps which one you want to lock. For example, I want to lock Airbnb. Then done. Also you can choose multiple apps as you like. Okay. Then you just select some option. I just want to select run immediately. I mean this script will run immediately when close this app or open, as you select above feature. Then next. Okay, so then you just select when Airbnb open, what will be your action. As before I make lock skin, then I just tap lock skin feature. And now I just close the shortcut automation. Now I'll just try to open Airbnb. Okay, just open.